Let us understand how to sort the data using Spark SQL. We typically perform sorting as final step after performing rest of the transformations, and also as part of the data engineering pipelines, we typically don't sort the data. We just store the data into the target location. When we connect the BI tools to the dataset, and when we try to visualize using this dataset, from the BI tool we might have to sort the data and present the data. However, for the analysis purpose, we might have to run queries with order by or by sorting the data. For that reason, we should be very comfortable with the syntax and semantics of sorting the data. Sorting can be done either by using one field or multiple fields. If we are using multiple fields, it is also called as composite sorting. We can sort the data either in ascending order or descending order by using column array expression. By default, the sorting order is ascending, and we can change it to descending by using keyword called as DESC. There is a keyword called as ASC for ascending. We don't need to use it because the default behavior is anyway ascending order only. Now let us run this query to sort all the orders by order customer ID, and you should be able to see the results here. First we got order details for customer ID 1, and then order details for customer ID 2, then order details for customer ID 3, so on and so forth. If you want to sort the data by customer ID and then by date, you can use order by order customer ID and then order date like this, and you should be able to see the results. Let's run this query and then let's compare the previous results and the current query results to see the difference. So in the previous results, the orders are sorted by order customer ID. If you take the example of 2, you can see that all of them are grouped together here. However, with respect to the date or order ID or status, there is no proper sorting. The dates are sporadic, even the order IDs and status. Now if you see the results of this query, especially for order ID 2, you can see that all the 4 orders have dates in ascending order. First 2013 August 2nd, then 2013 October 29th, then 2013 November 30th, then 2014 February 18th. So this is how you can perform the composite sorting. However, if you want to sort the data in ascending order by order customer ID and then descending order by order date, so that we can see the latest orders at the top for each customer, then the syntax will be like this. You just have to use the keyword DESC on the column on which you want to perform the sorting in descending order. Now if I run this, first the data will be sorted in ascending order by customer ID and then in descending order by order date. Let's wait until we get the results and review it. Now if I take the same order customer ID 2 example, you can see that the dates are in descending order within this customer ID. Now when it comes to our original problem statement, we have computed daily product revenue, and if I want to get the results in ascending order by date and then descending order by revenue, then as part of the order by, we just have to say o.order date comma revenue DESC. Unlike where clause, you can actually specify the expression, which is nothing but this one, or the alias as part of the order by. So in this case we are using alias, and we can say revenue DESC like this, and we should be able to see the results. The reason why it will work with the order by is when it comes to the query execution order, order by will be executed at the last. So it will start with from, then where or join, then group by, then select, then order by. Because order by will be executed at the last, you can use any expression or alias that is specified in the select clause as part of the order by without any issues. Now you can see that data is sorted in ascending order by date and then in descending order by revenue. And we are seeing additional details such as order item product ID as part of the output. This is how you should be able to use order by to sort the data and validate your results. Also from the BI layer perspective or reporting layer perspective, at times we might have to sort the data and we might have to use our BI tool capabilities to connect to the big data clusters. It has Spark SQL connectors, and we should be able to drag and drop to create the report. Under the hood, it will create the query with order by if at all data has to be sorted, and it will show the report to the end user. However, from the data analysis perspective, at times we might have to write queries which uses sorting so that we can see the results and validate whether the results are expected or not. And hence, understanding order by and also using order by is very, very important for a data engineer.